Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If this is the first time you're looking at my face, hi, this is Palash Roy. We talk about fashion, lifestyle and makeup on this channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like icon to get notified to my videos whenever I post. So today we are going to talk about two products which I received from a brand called Bare Beauty Skin. The two products that I've received are, one of this is a Skin Gloss Illuminating Primer Oil and the other one Blueberry Beauty Fuzz. So I am really excited. I've used these products for quite a long time now and I'm here with a review to share with you all. This is the look that I have created with these two products. So let's start. So let's quickly talk about the brand first. Bare Beauty Skin and Tools is an Indian brand which focuses on the concept of uncomplicated, upfront and affordable makeup. They are currently having 3 products on their website and are coming up with more amazing products soon. So let's quickly start with our routine. First we are going to moisturize our face. I'm using Olay Total Effect 7-in-1 Anti-Aging Cream and I'm dotting it on my face and massaging it properly. Next I'm going to take the Bare Beauty Skin and Tools Primer Oil and take few drops on the face and massage it well on the face and on the neck. On the other side of the face I'm going to use my purple True Jewel 24 karat gold primer, which is a pore filling primer, and I'm going to dot it on my face so that it fills up the pores. Next I'm taking my foundation by Sephora and I'm taking a pump on the back of my hand. I have taken the Blueberry Beauty Fuzz and this is in the wet state right now, so you can see how swelled up it is, and I'm just taking the foundation on the back of the beauty blender and applying it on my face and on my neck. It is quite easy to blend it with the beauty blender. Next I'm taking my regular makeup brush and doing the same thing on other side of my face just to see the difference in the coverage. So I'm just using a stippling motion to apply my foundation all over my face and on my neck. Then we are diving into highlighting. We are going to conceal our under eyes and highlight the areas where light hits directly, and those areas should look illuminated. So we are just applying the concealer on the areas where the light hits directly. I'm using the Beauty Fuzz to blend the concealer on this part of the face. And the regular foundation brush to blend the concealer on the other part of the face so that we can see the difference on the coverage. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Gigi Hadid collection tinted primer and dotting it on my face because it is an darker shade from my skin tone, so I'm using it as my contour. And I'm using the Beauty Fuzz to blend the primer on place. And on the other side I'm using the brush to blend it. I'll quickly do the rest of my makeup off camera and we'll talk about the products soon. See you!
Okay, so I have created this look as you have seen, this side using
Skin Gloss Primer and the Blueberry Fuzz,
and this side using my normal
pore filling primer and foundation brush. So let's start with the primer oil. This says Bare Beauty Skin Gloss Primer is an illuminating dry oil to give you that ultimate glow from within underneath your makeup without making it oily. It nourishes and protects the skin, offering oxidants, antibacterial and anti-aging properties. Routine: apply on face and neck before foundation for a smooth and canvas look.
So yeah, you can see guys, this is how it looks.
I personally don't feel this is a dry oil. It actually, when you apply it, it is very oily and slippery in the starting, and it takes some time to get absorbed onto the skin. At the first glance I really thought that this is not going to work for my skin because of the pearl particles it has in it, because I am personally not a pearl person, a glitter person who would like to wear glitter on daily basis. But it looks pretty fine. Glitter particles doesn't show up from underneath. Second thing, I used this blueberry fuzz on this side of the face. It definitely utilizes less foundation and gives a very generous coverage, not like a full coverage thing. I use this brush which I got from Amazon to do this part of my face with the same foundation but a different primer. And yeah, this side I feel is more sheer and this side is more heavy duty, like a full base. That's all. Overall, I really like these products. I really like using them. I like the concept of having the pearl particles, but they don't show up on the skin that much. And this is a very nice beauty fuzz which I'm going to use a lot. Thank you so much for this amazing beauty fuzz. Thank you. Hope you all liked the video. If you guys liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to press the bell icon somewhere here so that you don't miss on any video that I upload. See you. Thank you. Bye.